Axolotls are a unique type of salamander that are endemic to Lake Xochimilco near Mexico City. Axolotls are critically endangered in the wild, but they have an extremely unique feature that keeps them abundant in laboratories: regeneration. Regeneration is defined as a renewal or restoration of a body or a bodily part after injury. We humans experience regeneration limited to our skin, but axolotls have far superior regenerative abilities. Axolotls can regenerate multiple structures such as their limbs, jaws, tail, spinal cord, and skin without evidence of scarring throughout their lives. These regenerative abilities make axolotls extremely valuable to scientists. But how exactly does regeneration occur? Let's take an axolotl limb as an example. When the limb is amputated, epithelial cells migrate to the surface of the wound and form the epithelium, a cellular tissue that serves to enclose and protect parts of the axolotl's body. The epithelium stimulates the cells beneath it to begin a process of de-differentiation that reverts them into stem cells, or unspecialized cells. The mass of stem cells beneath the epithelium forms a blastema around the amputated limb. The blastema can specialize the axolotl cells once more to redevelop the lost limb. The new, fully functional limb develops without any signs of damage. Axolotls are also unique in another way. While amphibians regularly metamorphosize from egg to larva and then into adult form, axolotls maintain their larval form throughout their life. This rare phenomenon of juvenile feature retention is known as neoteny and is genetic in axolotls. Thyroxine hormones are necessary for the axolotl to experience metamorphosis, but without iodine, the hormones can't be produced. Lake Xochimilco naturally lacks iodine, which explains neoteny in axolotls. Still, axolotls can experience metamorphosis via thyroxine treatment in a lab. The axolotl's incredible ability to regenerate has been tied to their neoteny. An experiment conducted in 2014 showed that pedomorphic, or larval, axolotls can regrow an entire limb in 405 days. Meanwhile, thyroxine-induced metamorphic limbs are only at 62% of their original size in the same time frame. The experiment also showed that only 7% of pedomorphs showed slight defects in the regenerated limb, while 100% of metamorphs had mid to severe anatomical defects. The results of this study conclude that metamorphic transformation alters the cellular response to injury, though how exactly this occurs is still unknown. What we do know is that the axolotl's unique neoteny is a driving force behind its quick and effective regenerative abilities. Axolotls are a scientific marvel for both their regenerative ability and their maintained neotenous state. They are a prime example of the unique wonders of nature.